The city's buzzing, whispers in every dark alley, shadows cast by neon lights. Crime lurks behind every corner. There you are, Digital Detective Gumshoe, right on cue. Go ahead and put your bag down. We've got a real humdinger for you. The case of the stolen creativity. You see, there's been a heist, and we need your sharp brain to solve it. Here it is, Exhibit A. A young creator had been working on a digital project for weeks. He put his heart and soul into it, culminating in a masterpiece that you can see here on the very laptop that he used to create it. But now it's been stolen. What's that, Detective Gumshoe? Everything looks untouched, you say. And the masterpiece is still right there on the laptop. Well, excellent work, Detective. You've solved the case. We can all go home not so fast. There's a twist. This isn't your run-of-the-mill open and shut case of a museum heist. This is far less obvious. Someone's been playing fast and loose with another's creative work. The goods, as you can see, are still in plain sight. But they've been copied, borrowed, and shared, and all without the creator's say-so. Let's get down to brass tacks. Inside of this laptop lies a creation born from someone's imagination and new ideas. They poured their heart and mind into it, and that means it belongs to them. This is their intellectual property, their treasure. So, Detective Gumshoe, here's where things get sticky. When someone creates something and puts it online, it's still theirs. If they want, they could sell it to a company or let people use it with permission. That's all a part of something called digital ownership. But there was a heist. Someone took content that belongs to someone else. Maybe they made a copy, used it in a funny video, or even claimed it as their own work. And now this stolen work is all over the internet, used without giving the creator any credit. What's that? Drop the case, you say? The trail is going cold and nobody was hurt anyway? The content's still there. Not so, Detective. You see, when you use content with permission, such as through a subscription or a school account, you are accessing the content through a license. The content or intellectual property still belongs to the creator, but the license gives you permission to use it. It is important to respect intellectual property. Intellectual property helps both creators and the people enjoying their creations. It protects the creation from unlawful use and gives the creators a reason to make more cool stuff. It makes sure that creators are credited or paid for their work. And by respecting intellectual property, you stay out of trouble at school or in your future jobs. The problem is, not a lot of people are aware of intellectual property. They do not understand digital ownership. And a lot of times, well-intentioned people accidentally misuse other people's creative work. If only we can figure out who's been using this intellectual property without asking for permission.